Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can convert a curve into a series of tensile structures. If I update this curve, you can see that the result is going to update also. We can also use the bouncy solver to simulate the tensile structure. As you can see here, I can bake it and it will create this final mesh as the results. Okay, I'm going to turn off the bouncy solver and use the zombie solver to create the final results. As you can see here, I can change the widths easily. If I create a new curve, for example, and set that to the input, it's going to update. Okay, if I change the number of division, you can see that the curve is going to create more structures like that. There is a radius input we can control, which is the radius of the ground. The number of divisions in the UV, changing that's going to give you a more detailed and also change the final form. So finally, again, I can turn on the bouncy solver and reset the simulation, bake the mesh. So that is about this algorithm. Let's take a look at the steps and how we can create this in Grasshopper.